The world is changing, but the one thing that will never change is our desire to explore it. And even though being outside powers us, sometimes we need an extra kick. Introducing the BLUETTI AC60. Nothing beats the feeling of being in nature, and the BLUETTI AC60 allows you to power all your devices so you can truly make the most of your next trip. Water resistant, dust resistant, and with the option of being powered by the sun. The AC60 allows you to have longer, faster charges so you can have power wherever you go. Power your next adventure with the BLUETTI AC60.